Hello, welcome back to another video on my 1 month game dev challenge. And in today's video, we just continue the work from yesterday. We want just to create all of the rest of the map and make sure that this thing looks good in the end. And for that, I want to replace like everything I got here with the prefabs I made to make it really easy to handle later on. So also we want to have these stones as a prefab. Then I make sure that all of these are presets. This is important because if I want to make a change to to all of them, I just need to make a change to one of them, and then the changes are applied to this. So let's make sure we got this right here. I also want to make sure that this island is a little bit bigger, so I just copy and paste this one. There we go. Also, I could have had duplicated this one, the same as this one, and then I'll duplicate it again because I think we can easily 180 make the island complete this way. So I'll just copy it one time and another time to make it finish. Yeah, nice. Then I'll just copy this edge right here, or this corner, I think it is in in English. There we go. And then one last time, I think. So is this 3? It is, yes. So nice. Then we have the first little island here, and I think the other one goes right here. So I'll just copy a bit of these items, or models, I think it is, and push it against this wall. I think here in this corner, so we can have this also as a little island here. Just make sure that this goes right into the nice, right into this wall. Of course, for this one we might have to adjust these walls to go a bit higher. So let's do it, but the player is not has any stupid ideas. And yeah, I think this is it. Let me see, what else do we got here in our pack from Kenny, by the way. I mentioned it in the first video, but I want to make sure that you guys check him out. These awesome free assets. I think I'll leave a link in the video description so that you can check out this amazing work. Good. So we might also want to consider to have some temple things right here. There we go. I think that we also can. Oh no, oh no, I didn't copy it at all. I just that's bad. I'll just dragged it from one side to another, but did not copy of it. There we go. Now I just copied it. Oh god. Okay, so let's quickly align this with our current implementation or current build. There we go. And there it is. And I think this is pretty cool. And I also think that if we want to create another one, like, come on, let's create another one. Just copy that and paste it. Then I'll make a parent out of an empty parent and say wall island, and then rotate it by 90 degrees, and then have it placed on this on this side of the map, I think it is okay. And then as we had it also on the other wall island, we want to have the wall stick a bit into it. There we go. So I think this is also quite completed. Nice. So what do we want to have in the game? Yeah, we want to have the these known treasure chests from some battle royale games, and I think these will happen and will be there. But I think I need to change a bit of them because I had my own treasure chest, but I now see that there are plenty of items within this package from Kenny. So I'll need to refactor them a bit, but it's okay. I think this is kind of cool. Do not think that this should be big work of it. So we have this little arena looking a bit better than than my old one, and I think now because we have these stones, we might consider making these world entity with a maximum health of like I don't know 500. Is this a good amount? I don't know. And we maybe also want to have some destroyed prefab, but I think this will be much more for the convenient stuff. Not convenient stuff, I'm sorry, for the stuff we want to make beautiful in this game. The same for this barrel. So this is also like 200. And then we can make sure that we have this barrel made a prefab. So let's select all of these barrels we have here, not the ground, the barrel, thank you. And then paste in this barrel here. Nice. So we have some destroyable stones and some destroyable barrels. Let's just test it real quick. If we can destroy it, or we not have any weapons, that's bad. And we have to make these barrels a little bit smaller. Oh, there's the normal scar. Nice. So let's just test it. There we go. It is working indeed, but the weapon is too strong at the moment. But it's okay. We fix this later in the balancing. And all this stuff can now be in the game world folder under the ground. Under the ground game object. There we go. And then we can close this a bit, and we can just make these a bit higher. Okay. This way could be. I think a little bit is possible. Still. Okay, so this was too much. Yeah, we might want to delete these because we do not want to have these weapons in there. We want to have it in these chests. So let's just delete the sniper and the scar, and care about the treasure chests we have here. So let's go to Kenny's again, and there to the chest. We want to make it a bit smaller, the same as the barrel. Let's half the size of that. And then I've seen that there's a animation on the chest, and I'm really curious how this is looking. So let's see how this is working. So this is the close animation. This is the open animation. Okay, this is just the open. Oh, okay. Okay. But this is kind of the same mechanic as okay. Okay, this is great that this is the same mechanic as I used with my chest, so we can just reuse this animation I have here. This is really good. I kind of love that. So let's just create here this script, world treasure chest. Yeah, honestly, I think this will do out of the box. Let's just have a try. Maybe we have to adjust the location of the loot. This is possible, but I think in general, this is totally possible that this is looking good and is working right off the bat. Let's test it. Yeah, of course, it's not working because we do not have a box collider in here or some other stuff of collider, but it's totally fine. And also I maybe want to have it right here that I do not have to walk 1,000 miles every time. So let's see if this is working. It is working. Oh my god, I love it. Nice. Okay, cool. This is working. Okay, this is looking awful. But let me see. It didn't concentrate on the treasure chest itself, on the animation. Okay. This is because it's the wrong axis. So I think the x-axis should be tackled, but this is tackling the z-axis, yes. So we need to tackle the x-axis. There you go. And this is the 0. And then I think we can remove these treasure chests from the game. Nice. The old ones. To be clear, we do not want to destroy our little project we have here. So we can destroy this one. Pretty cool. And remove all of them right here. Cool. So there we have our treasure chest. And we want to make sure that this is, or this can be applied to our prefab. Why I cannot add this to the prefab? Yeah, it's okay. I'll just create a new prefab right here, and then it is automatically in there. Pretty cool. I really love that. And I think with this, we can easily create some stuff like particle systems and stuff like that. But as I said, this will be the case if we want to make it a bit more beautified. Yeah, right now we might want to consider having some some more chests in this little arena. Something like I don't know, 20 chests. I think this is not that important because we do not have that much how do you say variety in weapon, so that it would make any sense to create even more treasure chests. You know, it might be the best idea to not even have those much treasure chests, but a bit more of a variety in the game, right? So we might want to think about different weapon types and something like grenade or something like that. Something that makes the game a bit more dynamical, because we right now just have the sniper and the scar and a bit of ammunition for that. But something like a grenade would be really, really cool, I think. So we might want to check if this is working. 15 and minus 24. And what about this? This could be minus 20. Yeah, and then there could be another one. There it is. So this is our little arena, or maybe here and there a bit more of things to hide, or make it possible for the player to reload or something like that. It's just a little arena, and I think this is a pretty cool one. Maybe we need another box right here. Yes, and that's it, at least for these treasure chests. I do not know if we might want to add more, but I want to really beautify this. But I think this would be a great idea for the next episode to make this a bit more beautified. So thanks for watching. I really want to thank you guys for accompanying on my journey for this 1 month game dev challenge. And if you liked the video, then please hit the like button. If not, then please hit the dislike button and write me in the comments what you didn't like about this video or this challenge in general. And also, if you want to not miss any updates on this challenge or my main game Azaryia, which I'm doing devlogs about on this channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and we will see us tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.